Hello guys, welcome back to Technovish channel. Today here I'm going to solve the SQL injection examining the database labs. That is, the first lab is SQL injection attack on querying the database at the version on Oracle. Okay, this is actually the type of which we are going to solve the Oracle database. Like, what is the Oracle database version attack? We can uh, came to know about this from this lab. Okay, I'm solving this lab now. This is what the query we have. Like, if it is the Microsoft and MySQL, we can use the select at version, and Oracle select star from the v dollar version, and PostgreSQL select and version we can use it. And I'm solving the first lab now. Access the lab. It is quite simple, and for the understanding level it is little difficult. And you guys need to have a burp suite in order to um, intercept the response request. So this is the main lab page. What I will do is I'll just on the intercept, and just intercept the gift, and what I will enter here is I just enter union plus select plus ABC. I'll not take it as null since it's common. They already told there is a two parameters, so I'll just enter like this. There is two strings they already told, and I'll take again plus and from plus and dual. You can get this information about dual in the hint section. There is a hint section. I'll show you that. In the hint section you can read this properly, like built-in table Oracle called dual. There is a built-in table in the Oracle that's called dual, so we can use it as a dual here. This is the from dual, and I'll just intercept this. I already intercepted, right? So I just send it to the repeater, and I'll just send this request, and I'll just get the response. So I already got the response here. So there is a two tables as we can see here, and after that again I will put one more command, that is union plus select plus banner then comma plus null again plus from at version plus from again plus. You already know here we have to use for the Oracle database, we have to use what? At version. And sorry, for the MySQL and Microsoft it is at version, and for the Oracle it is v dollar version. So I will use this here. And v dollar version, v dollar dollar version. Yes, now it is done. Query is done, so we can send this request in order to get the request. So this is showing wrong. Is that my query is wrong? Yes, here I forgot to add plus. Right, now again I'm sending the response. Okay, again I forgot to add here double dash 2. Just cancelling this, and again I will response. I wait for the response now. And I'm not getting my, yes, I'm getting the response now. And the lab is solved. You can see here lab is solved now, and the version of the theme version is, you can see it here, the Oracle database versions core 11.2, and here is the Oracle database 11, and these all are versions. You can get it from the these commands. Okay, thanks for watching. If it is helpful to understand and to solve this lab, please like our video, and subscribe to our channel, and share this video those who are really wanted to solve these labs. Thank you.
If you liked our video, please subscribe us and press the bell icon. Thank you.